It's Binondo Day! See you Binondo! Bye guys! Maliligo muna kami tapos maya mabiyahe na kami pa. See you! Tulog pa yung isa namin kasama. Kita kami Binondo. Siyempre, ito yung isa namin kasama. Gising na gising din! Siyempre, wala pa si Mark. Say hi, Binondo! Yes, laging na ako. Ayun guys, nandito na kami sa bus. Shit, papunta na kami ngayon sa Binondo. Say hi! Sunday ngayon, so mamaya-maya lang kita-kita tayo ha. Bye-bye! So, hi guys! Guys, we're at hotel na. Eat! Let's go! Hi guys, kami muna ni Andre. Dami 7-Eleven kasi nagutom kami. Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Oh my God! Susi ng connecting room. Tagal ng susi ng connecting room. Yung connecting room namin sa susi. Ang tagal! Kaya ito bumaba kami to get some food. Bye guys! Hi guys, we are now exploring here at the Binondo. Medyo maambon lang. We are finding our first stop para i-try yung food nila. So, yeah, abangan nyo. Bye! Kami, nakita nyo yung pila na yan. That's so mahaba, right? So, lipat tayo sa ibang pwesto kasi hirap. Daming tao, even it's already almost 3 PM na yata. But yeah, okay. Maghanap pa kami ng ibang stall here at Binondo. Yan guys, just arrived on our first stop. Wanna see it? Yeah, go! Konting montage. So yeah, we're going to try the kikiam and I don't know what this is. Try it. Try it. How was it? Try. I like this one. Kikiam. How much is it? 咱们这车上是不错。 Namanya. How was it? Good. Good. Yeah. Guys, we're going to eat at Taiwanese beef noodles. Our second spot, and then I'm holding the Buchi Air. Buchi Air. We're gonna order oyster panada. While eating buchi. Okay. See you. Yeah, that's their menu. So you can see, we will gonna try the buchi panada. Here's that boy, Lian, and Marty. So yun, fail kami. fail kami sa pagtikim ng oyster panada. Wala, sayang. Balik na lang kami bukas. Okay, here's the sugar cane. We're gonna try this one, the juice. So they will try the sugar cane. And then go. Try it. Oh my god. My camera is so lean now. Guys, and try it. See Mikey taking photo. See the pila. Oh my god. Diyan kami kakain. The pila.
Ano bang sinasabi ng mga Chinese pag nagpapasalamat?
I don't know eh. Ano ba?
Thank
Ay! Thank you!
Baka magaya tayo sa tika. Ano ba yun? Isa lang. Smells like squid. Parang ngayon ko kainin to. How was it? Nice. The texture is like squid, pero hindi siya lasang squid.
Ayan, full na kami guys. Nag-ano kami ngayon ng coffee shop yung nahanap namin guys. Hindi yun, mali ka naman eh. Oh my god. So yeah, see you in our coffee shop, Tinip. And guys, ito kami ngayon sa coffee shop. Tomorrow po. Hello, Jeffrey. Mikey. And here at Jones Bridge. Nandito na kami. Medyo traffic lang kasi meron daw. Ano yung meron naman? Procession. Tama-tama yung pagpunta namin. May procession ngayon, no? So, yeah. See you later. Bakit ako sa inyo mamaya? Bye! Okay, try. Walang dadampot. Hi guys! Dito kami ngayon sa Jones Bridge. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo pagka nailawan na tong Jones Bridge. No, ayan na. Nice trip! Woo! Yes, here we are. Bigo kami sa photo booth. Grabe yung pila. Yung pila, grabe. Shit. Alam niyo yun, sobrang haba ng pila doon sa may photo booth. Hindi kaya yun, be. So, bye. Hi guys! Dito kami sa Jones Bridge. Pagod na siya. Yun din. Ayun na, Jemoy! Umiilaw na! Umiilaw na! Gutom na kami, pagod na din. Exhausting, but then we are going to find some food. So, yeah. Bye! So, now it's raining. Oh my God, yung kasama ko na doon na iwan. At eto ko ngayon. Wala kaming dalang payo. Ito ako kasama, tumatakbo na. So, guys, balikan na lang kasi namin pag kasi dumami. So, bye-bye! So, yeah guys. Basa na kami ng rain. Oh my God. Here's my another kasama. Say hi! So, ayun nga po guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-update sa inyo kanina. Pasensya na. Kasi, ayun, nalobat ako tapos ang lakas ng ulan. Nabasa kami naman. Kung nakikita nyo, nakaligo na kami. Nakakain na rin ako. It's already 10 PM here at Manila. And then, pahinga kami para bukas. Bye!